Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram, and in this video we're going to show you how to attach the pantograph on your GEM XL 1500-1200 embroidery machine. Once you've completed the steps of removing the machine from your crate and placing it on your stand, you'll need to attach the pantograph onto the machine, which comes disassembled and comes packed in bubble wrap on the machine itself. We'll begin by carefully removing the packaging material. Once you remove the packaging, we'll need to lift the pantograph and remove the screws which are attached to the bottom of the pantograph. There is 3 hex screws on each side at the bottom part of the pantograph. When removing and reinstalling the screws back onto the pantograph, please note and remember which hole you removed which screw from so that you could use that same screw for that same hole position. Locate the bracket on the embroidery machine, and using the outer screw hole on the pantograph, line up the holes so that you can place your pantograph in the right position. Next, take the screws you removed earlier and use those to install the pantograph onto the machine brackets. Remember, there are 3 screws on each side of the machine. Make sure to start the screws before tightening them. Using your 3mm hex wrench, go ahead and tighten the 3 screws on each side of the pantograph. Once you've attached the pantograph to the machine, simply roll the pantograph manually and set it up at the center of the sew field. Now remember, you may want to do this with the machine off before you power it on. And this concludes how to install a pantograph on your new GEM 1500 XL-1200. If you're going to start using the machine for tubular work, you can go ahead and follow the next videos on how to operate the machine. If you're going to set up a large sew field and sash frame with the flat table, simply locate our video on how to set up a flat table. And don't forget to follow us on our channel. Click like and subscribe to watch more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in our next video. See ya. Bye.